Hey guys, I wanted to share one very strange which is happening to me, and that is the calmness that I'm feeling towards the life and towards whatever the events that is happening around me. So, for example, I just had one small accident. I was listening to this song. I was just chatting with on my phone, and then I just bumped into this guy. Like he got his bike got crushed. His Activa got crushed, and I was very calm. I got outside. Nothing happened. No harm happened. I just went out. I was very calm. It was very unconscious for me to stay calm. When my mind had this proof that with being calm also I can live my life, and I don't have to do anything. I mean, I have to work and stuff like that, but I don't have to fake or try something hard just to get something, or just to get attention, or just to save money or something like that. Like, for example, if something like this happens, then someone might get angry that this, it's your fault or something like that, that आपने नहीं देखा, something like that, you have not looked at the situation, something like that, just so that he can save money. And my whole point was not that I will just shout, or I'll just stay calm so that he can feel that, so that I can save money, he will not ask for money, something like that. But I just felt this energy that he felt from me, that this calmness is something that, I said, like, I'm so sorry, I don't happen this usually. And it was very authentic. It was not a fake line. It was from my soul. He felt it, and he was also calm and chill. And I mean, if he gets angry, then I can also get angry. I can do it, but it was not required. But I was very calm to him, and he's like, okay, no issue, just take care of next time. But it's not the point of conversation. Like, point of the video is not that when you crush the guy, like when you get accident, just stay calm. It's not point of the video. It's just that whatever you're feeling, if you just express that, it becomes an authentic your signature. And if people feel that, then they get attracted. They get in your frame. Whatever you think is cool, they get in your frame. And I felt that on a level that if you're like truly attracted, truly true yourself, like truly authentic, then what people feel from you is that this energy of vacuum that they want to be part of. Like how this guy is so chill with this situation also, how he's so calm, or she is so calm. I felt that in my game career with a few sets, that when I try to open, they're very calm, and I get sucked into her. It's not about her beauty or something like that, but the energy which it has. And I'm feeling same when I just do this stuff. The people just start approaching, people just start approaching me, that how's the day, something like that. And it's so awesome. Like, I mean, so super awesome. Just love that. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope you like this. And just stay calm. Not calm is not the key. Don't stay calm, but just be aware about it, whatever you're feeling. Just express that. And you can also become angry. I can also become angry. I can change my tone. I can engage with my mind in that way, or I can just engage in my mind in a very chill and relaxed way. So that was the example. And people few people I know, they do extreme. Like they just get very they are like let's say they are talking to me, then they are very chill. When they go to the set, they fake it. It's like, no, oh yeah, it's like, hi, how was the day? I mean, the energy shifts. And I felt yesterday with one of my not a friend, but a good person. And I'm like, why? I took him side me, and then I'm like, why are you doing this? He didn't understood, I think, but and I think he might understood, I have, but he ignored me and he avoided me. That I'm like, it was very crazy. Like, I'm trying to teach him something, I'm trying to get him calm, I'm trying to teach him very good thing, and he doesn't want it. I felt that. So the point of video was also not that I'm some guru guy or something, but the point of the video is that when you stay calm, you feel there's attractiveness, this energy of vacuum from you. It's coming from you. It's like, sucking people in, and right people, or majority of people get sucked into this vibe, and it's so authentic, and you can't fake it. It's not something you fake it. It's not like, I stay calm every time. It's not like that. I'm very energetic. I'm aware about my energy. Like when I want to become very angry, I can become angry, but I'm very attuned about how I'm feeling and express that only. If I just do that, that in itself becomes a only technique that I do at this point of my career, in my life, in my game, in everywhere. I just want to build on that, and I also want to improve my skills on improvement is that. But first of all, I want to get comfortable on my skin, and then I want to do, and I have felt this change that I wanted to share with you guys. And I also wanted to ask you to comment down in section, what do you think about it? Have you felt someone with this kind of stuff? Like have you in yourself or someone seen this energy where you just get sucked into this guy or girl, and it's not the attractiveness, it's not beauty, or it's not that, it just they have a very different signature. I have felt it with a lot of people, and I just get sucked into the vibe. It's crazy. It's not, it just they are just whatever they are feeling, they're just sharing it. I just get sucked into that vibe, and it's awesome, and I want you to build this. I'm also building this. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and comment down what do you think about this. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.